What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you're a day one subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and always clicking. Guys, you can see my background and you know where we are when you see this background. We're in the village and currently it's Sunday, and we just want to do some work on the farm and then do some other things that we need to do in the morning. Okay, so tag along, you will see what we normally do. So there are avocado trees that have been recently planted here, grafted avocados. We have some grafted avocados that are planted in the farm, and we want to mulch them because it has been very dry. It recently just rained yesterday, last night until today, so we need to do some work, at least give them some mulch, put some mulch around them so that they can sustain the water for some time, because zingine zimekauka, zingine they are doing well, but we have to help them survive. So this is it guys, take along. Umemaliza? Hiyo iko sawa? Sio nyingi kuliko ya huyu?
Bado ni nyingi lakini tutafanya nini?
Na yeye anatoroka.
Iko sawa.
Village morning routine has started.
Kozera kaukange.
Ati kebiki? Kebiki? Kebutu. So guys, we are using this banana leaves. We want to use them to mulch the avocados, at least give them some protection. I don't know what it's called, but it's mulching really. If you know what mulching is, its benefits, you will understand. So I want to put some mulch around these avocados and show you guys the situation here. These are grafted Hass avocados. We are hoping in the next 5 years they will bring back some returns. What do I start? Just a minute. Let me show you the avocado so that you know what I'm talking about. For example, we have this avocado. This one is doing well, not bad at all. There's another one here. This one looks like it's almost drying, but at least it has been saved by the rain. This one is not so good also. This one is almost dead. In fact, you might not even see unless you know what avocados look like when they're small. So yeah guys, so let me show you what I'm talking about when I say mulching. So it's just a matter of protecting them really. Kama ni waingize kwa mulching class, kwa agriculture class. If you didn't do agriculture, sorry. Some of us did agriculture, so we understand all of these things. And we are still within the agriculture science sector, so this is our daily bread. This is our daily job. Okay, so you see, once I've put this will serve as some shade. One thing that usually affects trees is the heat from the soil. Once the soil gets so hot, the tree cannot take it anymore. It's because the roots get burnt and it affects the entire tree. So once you've put such mulch, okay, this is not a job well done, but it's better than nothing. Once you have put mulch around the tree, it means that the soil will not get direct heat from sun. So at least the water, even if you're watering using some watering can or some pipes or whatever, or some drip irrigation. If it has some mulch, that soil will not be directly heated by the sun. The sun will hit the leaves, and by the time the soil dries completely, it will be at least 1 or 2 weeks with this rainwater. So at least we're saving this rainwater for some time. I hope I'm making sense, guys. I don't want to confuse you with so much technical stuff. These are the trees. And as you can see, there's some intercropping. If you know beans, you will realize that this is a bean with avocado and gravelia trees. So there's just a lot of intercropping here. These are all indigenous trees. So this place is just, it's a mixture of everything. There's also maize. This is maize, beans, you see. And that is what we promote, at least in my organization that I work for. Agroforestry, intercropping, all of those nice things really. Okay guys, let me place this camera somewhere.
Zikiwa nini? Zikiwa hizi za green. Hizi za banana zinaitwa masoya. Sawa. No mama itago magai.
Remember the video that I did with matomoko? Inaitangwa acha na kizungu matomoko pete. Oh, sawa so. We are yet gonna eat some more. Look at this one. That tony fruit. So they are fruiting again. It's almost the season of matomoko. Bananas here. That's a banana. Back to work. Hati nifanya aje? Sita kusikia.
Zikiwa green. Hizi za green. Naitwa masoya.
Masoya, leaves za banana. Masoya.
No, maya metago ate. Magai.
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 Oh, magai. Masoya, magai. Masoya na magai. So guys, I also need to do some work and not be a camera lady. Let me see where I will place you.
You okay,
Huh?
Hapa.
Because the last time nilitumia banana kama hiyo kukatakata hizo leaves za banana kunasaidia. Like kutrim hizo zimekauka. Does it help the banana in any way? Oh, because it still supplies some nutrients to the old ones.
Kwa kinafunika sana kama pale vile zinaka.
Hata kuoza.
Ndogo zinafunikiwa hazifanye kitu.
Oh. Okay, so we are not just helping the avocado trees, we are also helping the banana trees. So I'm taking this from where we started to the avocados. So guys, we are still putting the mulch, but we're almost done with it. At least we've covered most of the area. We need to get more banana leaves and just finish it off. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. Thank you so much. Bye. Guess what we found lying and being eaten by ants? Very ripe bananas. So we need to take this one. Let me eat this one. Look at how rotten they have. This one has been eaten by birds. I'll leave it here. So these two are okay. Let me carry these ones. Attack does it get rotten?
The best thing to find.
Hiya, hizi ni zile mushrooms. Are they edible, by the way? Guys, how do you know? How do you know if a mushroom is edible? I know my mom can tell just by seeing it. There are poisonous and edible ones, so you have to know the difference. And mushrooms usually have a message in the Kikuyu community, so you guys should find out what message it has. Angalia hata kuna ingine na pop hapa. These ones look poisonous. Another banana. It's raining bananas. A lot of mangoes. By the way, guys, we have this grapevine just outside our house. It was almost dying, and then we just had to do this around it. Right now it's picking up, it's growing and growing and growing. I didn't even expect we'll find it this way. It's really promising. I'm hoping we'll be able to eat some grapes in the next 1-2 years. I don't know how long they take, but yeah, so we need to at least expand this for it. It grows visually because it was being eaten by birds. And right now it's fine and looking healthy.
vile Tamu alikuwa